Hello everybody, welcome to Rolling Arrows. Today we're looking at the Lego Creator Assembly Scrap. It's a 16 plus Lego set, 4,002 pieces. And you can see it's nice and smooth and it's an expert. For the characters, from the characters that are on the side, we've got a coffee maker, we've got a ballerina, a trumpet player, a tooth dentist, and a young woman with a baby in her chair, a man with some flowers, a camera person, and you've got a chef. When I pull this, you're going to see the Lego set and you're going to be blown away your socks. This is what assembly square looks like. So as you see, there are two lamps. You can move this around. Take the buggy. You can open that door that I'm not going to do because I can't reach. You can open that glass door. Let's see at the back of the building. So, at the back of the building, you've got this glass that you can open and shut. Same with here. You open the door, close it. This is weird because, look, the kitchen is here and it literally has no roof. You can open the window. And by the way, I built this by myself. You can open this bottom door. You can open this bottom door. But I'm gonna open this bottom door. Leads into, wait, where does it lead into? Take that away. It leads into the cafe. Next, we have in here, we have the upper floor of the cafe. And you can see there's a person in there. Well, it doesn't matter if you can't see, but there is actually a person in there. We're continuing inside the cafe I showed you. And that's all I'm in. If you see in this window, you can poke your hand through it. There's a little drum play. Inside there's a little ballerina and a piano. That's this room. And as you can see here, it's curved. Let's place it. And inside here is the medical dentist. And here, what's inside here? Inside here is the photograph place. Inside here is the cafe. Thanks for watching again. Bye.